Have you noticed it's harder to stand up from a chair lately? Or that your legs feel weaker, even though you're still active? You might think it's just aging, but it's not. It's something far more dangerous. It's called anabolic resistance, and it's quietly stealing your strength. Right now, your body could be losing muscle. Not slowly, but faster than you realize. And if you're over 60, this silent condition could already be affecting your balance, your energy, and even your independence. You could be eating well, staying active, and still getting weaker. That's the scariest part. But here's the truth, and the good news. Muscle loss is not inevitable. And with the right steps, you can stop it. You can reverse it. In this video, we'll uncover the real reason your muscles are fading, the one food that can help you fight back, and the simple strategy that could change your body and your life, starting today. Let's begin. Let me tell you a story about Robert. He's 72, lives in Arizona, retired firefighter. Used to be the kind of guy who could carry 100 pounds of gear without thinking twice. But just last year, Robert found himself struggling to carry a single bag of groceries. Climbing stairs left him winded. Getting up from his recliner took effort. He thought it was just getting old, but he was wrong. What Robert was experiencing is something that affects millions of older adults in America. It's called muscle loss due to anabolic resistance, and it's a condition that creeps in quietly, often without warning. And if you're over 60, it could already be happening inside your body, right now. This isn't just about strength. It's about your independence, your balance, your metabolism, even your brain health. Anabolic resistance is a shift in how your body uses the protein you eat. Your muscles stop hearing the signals to grow and repair. And unless you know how to fight it, you could be losing muscle every single year, no matter how healthy you think you are. Here's the truth. You can't keep eating and moving like you did when you were 30 or 40. Your body has changed, and your strategy needs to change too. So let's talk about what really works. First, let's talk about the one nutrient your muscles absolutely depend on to grow and stay strong. Leucine. Leucine is like the spark plug in your engine. Without it, your body can't turn on the muscle-building process. And here's the catch. As you get older, your body needs more leucine than it used to. At age 30, your muscles respond to small amounts. But by 65 or 70, you need a stronger signal, more leucine in a single meal, to turn that process back on. And if you don't get enough, your body just stays in maintenance mode. No growth, no repair, no recovery, just slow, silent decline. Now, most older adults are eating protein, but not the right kind, and not at the right time. Let's look at Margaret. She's 67 and lives in Ohio. She eats oatmeal and fruit in the morning, a salad at lunch, and maybe some chicken at dinner. It sounds healthy, right? But here's the problem. Her breakfast? Almost zero muscle-building power. Her lunch? Low in total protein. And by dinner, when she finally eats a proper portion of meat, her muscles are no longer in prime condition to absorb it all. Margaret is eating enough calories, but not enough of the right protein, not at the right times. So what's the fix? It's a simple shift we call right protein, right timing. Start your day with protein, and enough of it. Instead of just cereal or toast, try 2 scrambled eggs with some Greek yogurt on the side. That's a strong start to your muscle-building day. Then repeat that protein power at lunch. A salad is fine, but add a generous serving of grilled chicken, tuna, or even lentils with quinoa. And yes, dinner counts too, but don't wait all day to feed your muscles. Spread your protein evenly across all 3 meals. That brings us to one of the most surprising and powerful foods for reversing muscle loss: grass-fed beef liver. Now, I know what you're thinking. Beef liver? Really? Yes, really. Because just 1 small serving of grass-fed beef liver is loaded with muscle-building nutrients. It's rich in leucine, packed with natural iron, and high in vitamin B12, all essential for energy, recovery, and strength. Take Tom, for example. He's 74. He never liked liver growing up, but he started eating just one portion a week, sautéed with onions, after watching a health video just like this. After 2 months, Tom noticed a difference. He had more energy. His legs didn't shake when climbing the stairs. He felt steadier. You don't need to eat liver every day. Just once or twice a week can be enough. And if you can't stand the taste, freeze-dried supplements are an easy alternative. But food is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly rebuild muscle after 60, you need movement, especially resistance training. Walking is good for your heart, but walking alone won't stop muscle loss. Let's talk about Diane. She's 70 and walks 3 miles every morning. But when she tried standing from the floor without using her hands, she couldn't. Why? Because endurance isn't the same as strength. That's why Diane added 2 short sessions of strength training per week. And she didn't need a gym. She used resistance bands and her own body weight. Simple moves like chair squats, wall push-ups, and step-ups. She started small, 10 minutes a day. Within 6 weeks, she felt stronger, more confident, and more in control. That's the power of resistance training, even in your 70s. But there's one more secret most people miss. Muscle isn't just for lifting things. It's one of your body's most important metabolic organs. The more muscle you have, the better your body handles blood sugar. The more calories you burn while resting, the more stable your energy levels stay throughout the day. Think about it. Muscle protects your heart. It protects your brain. It protects your bones. When you lose muscle, you're not just losing strength. You're losing health, mobility, and years of quality life. But when you build muscle, you're turning back the clock, from the inside out. Even your memory can improve. Yes, strength training has been shown to boost brain function in older adults. It's not just about living longer. It's about living better. Now let's talk about a few habits that supercharge everything we've just discussed. First, sleep. Less than 7 hours a night? That's a muscle killer. Your body repairs and rebuilds muscle while you sleep. Second, post-meal movement. A 10-minute walk after each meal can help shuttle nutrients into your muscles and regulate blood sugar. Third, consistency. You don't need perfection. You need repetition. It's better to do 2 strength workouts every week for 12 weeks than 7 days in a row and then quit for a month. And finally, track your progress. Use a simple grip strength tool. Time how long it takes to stand from a chair 5 times. Notice how your clothes fit. Watch how your balance improves. Small changes add up fast. So let me ask you, what would more strength mean for you? Carrying your own groceries? Playing longer with your grandkids? Getting out of a chair without help? Or maybe just feeling like yourself again? Because here's what I want you to remember. Muscle loss is not a life sentence. It's a warning sign. And you can respond to it. Starting today. Eat smart. Move often. Build strength. Your future self is counting on you. If this message spoke to you today, if you felt even a little spark of motivation, then don't let it fade. Your health is worth fighting for. Your strength is still in you, waiting to come back. And the best time to start is now. Subscribe to our channel, Elderly Healthcare, for more trusted tips each week. Because we believe aging should be full of power, not pain, of energy, not exhaustion, and of confidence, not fear. We're here to walk with you on this journey, every step of the way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us, what's one small change you're ready to make this week? More protein in your meals? Trying a new strength exercise? Finally giving liver a try? Your story might inspire someone else who really needs it today. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's grow stronger together. You've got this. and we've got your back. Take care, and keep moving forward.